Hello everyone, this is my 2013 MTB TREK 4300 4 series disc. Here we have .27 speed. And here we have hydraulic disc brakes. As you well know, I had another bicycle before I bought this. It was a TREK 4300 from 2006, but that bicycle is dead now. It's sadly, but it's true. So now I have this bicycle, and I love it very much. I bought it in October last year, and I have a bicycle very long way with this since last year. Here we can see on the trip computer (1,888 kilometers totally. I have rode this bicycle in over 90 kilometers per week. Well, not every week, but very often. So it's rolled very long ways. As you well know, on my last bicycle I had stoplights, but I don't have any stoplights on this bicycle yet. Maybe it comes in the future, but now I don't care about. But I have some other things, and that things my last bicycle doesn't have. And here we have electric air-powered horns. Here is the compressor, and here is the battery, and here is the switch. The Swedish train we have in Sweden sounds exactly like this horns, because it's high tones. So when I horn this, some people, they said it must be a train or something. So now we're gonna listen. It's very loud. It's over 120 decibels. Are you ready? Here we go. Yeah, it's very loud. Here is the thing. At the first times when I was out and bicycled and I wanted to run past some people. I used a bicycle bell, but they didn't hear it because they had music listening in freestyle, so they didn't hear me. So I said to myself after that, if they can't hear any bicycle bell, maybe they can hear a horn. So I tried to use these horns, and that worked very, very good. In last Christmas, I was out bicycle in town, and I met some people. They were out working in the middle of a road. So I wanted to run past them. So I used the horns. They moved from the way, but they didn't saw me. They said it must be a train or something. So when I came past them, they screamed, "Holy shit! A bicycle sounds like a train!" And I answered them to say, "Yes, it's me. That's my little good idea." And they said, "Yeah, that was a very good idea, man."